Hey guys, welcome back to Atom to Galaxy. Today we are diving into an incredible topic that might just change the way we think about our electronic gadgets. But before we get started, let me ask you something. How many of you forget to charge your phones, smartwatches or laptops? Or maybe you're guilty of leaving your devices plugged in overnight. We've all been there. Living in this electronic era, the unavailability of our gadgets, even for a few minutes, can be quite uncomfortable. But what if I told you there are gadgets that may never need to be charged again? Intrigued? Well, stick around because we've got some fascinating news for you. Today, we're talking about a groundbreaking innovation from a Chinese startup called Betavolt. They've unveiled a new battery, and get this, it claims to generate electricity for a whopping 50 years. Yes, you heard that right, 50 years. This next-gen battery, known as a nuclear battery, is currently in the pilot testing stage. It aims to be mass-produced for commercial phones and drones. Imagine a world where your mobile phones never need to be charged again, or drones that can fly indefinitely. It's not science fiction, it's the future Betavolt is working towards. So how does this nuclear battery work? According to Betavolt, it's the first in the world to achieve the miniaturization of atomic energy. They achieve this by placing nickel-63 isotopes into a module smaller than a coin. The battery operates by converting the energy released through the decay of isotopes into electricity. This concept has roots dating back to the 20th century, but Betavolt is taking it to the next level. The potential applications of this innovation are mind-boggling. From aerospace to AI equipment, medical devices, microprocessors, advanced sensors, small drones, and even micro-robots, the possibilities are endless. The idea of a long-lasting power supply opens up new avenues for technology, making it more reliable and sustainable. So what do you think of this groundbreaking technology? Are you excited about the possibility of phones that never need to be charged? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, share it with your friends and subscribe